with 12K, 12,000 plate. Now if you want the blade, I will turn a little bit curve. If you want the blade, and you see that on the edge, and you have to have shiny spot from end until here, until the tip. If you want, you can do just, if you want to handle all the blade, you can put an X pattern and go just all the way. Okay, then do the same thing. You can do this motion too, that's fine, but usually I do X patterns. Okay, you do a couple passes and then you turn the stone around. The reason why I turn the stone around, when you make the X patterns, as you can see, that some part actually in here and this part, blade doesn't touch it. But when you switch, turn around, you will take that spot that you haven't touched it, that this time you will take it out. Please pay attention, I don't push any pressure on it. I just control with my finger. That's all what I'm doing. This finger is not in here to push that or do anything except just control the blade. Now if I'm doing this motion, and if while I'm doing it and there is some spots on the tip it's not touching, I can do these motions. It looks like half moon. But usually you don't need. If you do the X patterns, you will be fine. And your blade is not warped, you should be okay. If you have warped blade, you can do circular motions. And it doesn't matter in which point, if it is on the tip or on the heel. If it is on the heel, you can go and then do the same thing. Right now I'm not doing it because this blade is not warped, and then do it on both sides, okay? By doing the circular motion. Another trick in here, if when you do, you have to see water goes all the way from heel to the tip. Water cuts the blade cuts the water. If that doesn't happen, that means there is something is not touching the properly to the hone. I'm going to check edge again and see what condition it is. Or I can check with my hands, see which parts are how are. I think it's pretty okay. But the best option is use your microscope, and it's just very handy. But now I'm seeing at the end of it, at the end, the hone doesn't touch it. Okay. As I say, at the under tip of it, the hand didn't touch it.